Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use bubble hair ties. First, gather your hair into the desired style, whether it's a high ponytail, a low bun, or a half-up look. Hold the bubble hair tie firmly in one hand. Begin by wrapping the tie around your hair, ensuring it's snug but not too tight. Most people find 2 or 3 wraps provide a perfect, comfortable hold without pulling or snagging your strands. To achieve a truly secure hold, make sure the bubble hair tie is evenly distributed around your hair. This prevents any single section from being pulled too tightly. Gently adjust the individual bubbles to ensure they grip your hair effectively, providing maximum support. Remember, these ties are designed for a firm yet gentle hold, so avoid overstretching them, which can reduce their lifespan and effectiveness. Bubble hair ties are incredibly versatile for various styles. For a sleek ponytail, smooth your hair thoroughly before securing it. You can also create a fun, segmented look by using 2 or 3 ties down the length of a ponytail. They are perfect for securing the ends of braids or holding a half-up style firmly in place. Their unique design adds a touch of flair to any hairstyle, making them a great accessory. Bubble hair ties offer several benefits for your hair. Their smooth, bubble design helps to reduce hair damage, breakage, and those annoying creases often left by traditional ties. They provide a strong, comfortable hold that lasts throughout your entire day, whether you're active or just relaxing. To keep them in top condition, gently clean your ties with mild soap and cool water, then air dry them completely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.